Bow. Going, back, home. Upload videos and do some tours. Thanks for watching off this time. Sorry, short clip. Just trying to get some stuff. We're gonna ride around longer, but opted out because of my leg being shifty. As mentioned in the other video. Whichever one, or all of them, I don't know. It's all the same. I don't want to hurt myself. I have to work the next 5 days, or who knows how long. Tomorrow to Saturday. And at the moment, schedule is Tuesday to Saturday. The last 2 semesters I worked, it was Friday to Tuesday. Only difference is working Wednesday and Thursday. Last semester, sometimes I would work Wednesday, sometimes I would work Thursday, sometimes I wouldn't have a day off at all. Hopefully they can sort out the dishwasher schedule because they have more money, and then I won't have to live at work and coach 7 hours a day. Because at the time I'm there, that's what's important to me, being on the day. Even situation. Well, that's all. Enjoy your day. Bye.